Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 1. So without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. What are the 8 necessary life processes? What are the 8 necessary life processes? 1. Maintaining boundaries. The internal environment remains distant from the external. 2. Movement. That is locomotion, propulsion, and contractility. 3. Responsiveness. Ability to sense changes in the environment and respond to them. 4. Digestion. Breakdown of ingested foodstuffs. 5. Metabolism. All the chemical reactions that occur in the body. 6. Excretion. That is the removal of wastes from the body. 7. Reproduction. That is cellular and organizational levels. And then 8. Growth, which is an increase in size of the body. What is the meaning of anatomy and physiology, and how do the two relate to each other? Anatomy is the study of structures in an organism. It talks about the structures and where they are located in relation to each other. Physiology is the study of the functions of the different systems and how they relate. These two relate to each other because physiology describes the functions of the structures described in anatomy. What are the 3 parts of the cell theory? 1. Cells are the basic units of life. 2. All cells come from pre-existing cells. And the third one, all living things are made of cells. What is proper anatomical position? It is when the body is erect. The feet are up and straightly spread apart, and the hands are flat with the palms up and thumbs pointing away from the body. What are the 4 types of tissue in the body. One, connective tissue. Two, muscular tissue. Three, epithelial tissue. And the fourth, nervous tissue. What are the functions of the four types of tissues? One, connective tissue. This is most common tissue, connects muscles, tendons, skin and bones. Can store fat. It protects against external environment. Then number two, muscle tissue. This helps with movement, interact with skeletal to move. Then number three, the epithelial tissue. This is for protection. It divides inner organs from worldly secretions. Sweat. It releases salt absorptions and absorbs nutrients. The fourth, nervous tissue. It sends electrical impulses throughout the body. It's made up of neurons that help react to stimuli. What are the levels of organization in multicellular organisms, starting with the smallest and ending with the largest? The smallest form of organization is similar to atoms and molecules, which make up cells. The cell is the smallest unit of life found in all organisms. A group of similar cells makes up tissues. Different tissues make up an organ. Various organs make up an organ system. All the organ systems together make up an organism. Any dash is the result of a disturbance of a body's equilibrium. Homeostasis imbalance. Dash anatomy is the study of structural changes caused by diseases. Pathological. Dash is the scientific study of the human species, which includes human evolution, genetics, anatomy, physiology, and ecology. Human biology. Dash is the dilectional term that refers to towards the head. Superior. Dash is the random genetic mutation that may or may not lead to changes that can ensure survival. Natural selection. Dash is the ability of a living organism to maintain a stable internal environment in an ever-changing external environment. Homeostasis. Dash is the study of cells, while dash is the study of tissues. Cytology, that is the study of cells, and histology, the study of tissues. Dash is the dilectional term that refers to the back of the body. Posterior. Dash includes all the life that exists on Earth. Biodiversity. Dash is the instruction that guide cells' activity. DNA. The dash is an idea that the characteristics of living things are controlled by genes, which are passed from the parent to the offspring. Gene theory. Dash are traits that help living things to survive and reproduce. Adaptations. Dash is the directional term that refers away from the midline of the body. Lateral. Dash is a striated in appearance, attaches to bones to pull on for locomotion, and is mostly a voluntary action. Skeletal muscle. Which body system disposes of debris and houses white blood cells? Lymphatic system. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to human biology. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.